What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm here. Oh, he went in the garage with the therapist, Rob with Turf Therapy. We are here on my lawn, not doing anything crazy today. We're just gonna be throwing down, but he's got a new sprayer from, what is that, Sprayer Depot?
Sprayer Depot.
Yeah, it's a Jacto sprayer, so we're gonna test that out and throw down some Hydrotane. Hydrotane sent me this product, full disclosure, a little over a year ago, and I'm just now remembering I gotta throw it down, so hopefully we'll be able to test it out, give you guys some results on that. So now that he's here, we'll cut to the shots, get working. He's got a little bit he wanted to say about the sprayer, and then we'll get right to work. Let's do it.
We're gonna let Aiden play with our brand new backpack sprayer, the Jacto PJP 16. Guys, this thing has a battery operating hour life of 1,600 hours. That's insane, right? And if you want to ask me how many times have I charged this, since I've had it for about 2 months, I've been using it. I probably used it about 15 times so far.
And you haven't charged it yet?
I haven't charged it yet.
Yeah,
haven't even taken the battery out. Yeah. And then it's got that freaking onboard regurgitator where it's literally.
Can we see it?
Yeah, you want to see it in action. Look at it. Doing this thing.
Look at that. Yeah.
So it keeps everything nice and mixed up, which is really
Especially
cool.
if you're applying real thick like humic products.
Yeah.
That can get stuck on the bottom of the tank and clog it up. So that's perfect for that.
Right.
Yeah.
So since we're going to pour it out the hose in the sprayer, I think that it would be smart for us to just go ahead and put all 4 gallons in there to get as much water as possible.
Yeah.
And then we'll fill this up first, yeah? So I recommended that he just go ahead and throw some of this down since he's got to sit on the shelf, right?
So yeah, it worked out well. It emptied out. I really do like the sprayer. I'm gonna have to get my hands on one of these one day, but just the convenience of just using a sprayer like this versus going ahead and using my big sprayer. You know, the big sprayer is just a pain in the butt to use sometimes. So for this, this was great.
This thing is sweet.
Yeah.
I enjoy it. Like I said, the only 2 things that have really thrown me off about it is why we don't have a translucent side, and this isn't the most comfortable rig. It's fine. It gets the job done, and it's so light and it stays so close to your body that I don't mind it. But you know, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. It just really is. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I'll leave a link in the description to the sprayer if you want to check it out. But my sprinkler is just finished, and now we're gonna mix up our next application for the yard, and we'll show you guys that.
Yeah, we're gonna take 2 products that you know very well and see what they do together.
Let's do it.
All right.
4 times 3 is 12, so 12 OZs. I feel like I'm talking to Garrett. Remember the one time we were on the sod job and I was doing that fill up with him? Teaching him how to fertilize. Hey, buddy.
Alright. And then we're doing half rate. 700. I always found it interesting how this stuff is like a line.
By the way, guys, Simple Lawn Solutions, Lawn Energizer. This is probably my 4th time using their products, so I'm excited to give something else a shot. Nothing against the Greene County, but just giving something else a shot, you know?
Are we going to spike with this too?
Oh yeah, we're doing a Greene County too. It's going to be a mixture of both.
All right, and this is what? Apply at 8 ounces, so we're going to do half rate for this?
Yeah, we'll do like 16 ounces of that.
Okay. There you go. Wow. So the Simple Lawn Solutions, as you guys seen me do, is you know there's a hose in sprayer, but if you don't use the hose in sprayer, there's instructions on the back for doing a pump or backpack sprayer like we're doing here. regurgitator's on, you can leave the regurgitator on while you're blowing, while you're spraying, but what happens... Okay, I was about to say, is that your mom?
No.
You can leave the regurgitator on while you're spraying, but you see that? The pressure's not going to be right. So you definitely don't want to do it.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
You can't, right, because it's regurgitating. It's not agitating. It's using part of the pump.
Okay.
So, but it's money, dude. Spot on. Just come through.
Look at that. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for the video. We did the applications. If you want to see, I'm gonna show you guys an update now. Well, I'm closing out with Rob. I'll close out by myself when the video's over.
Yeah.
But if you want to see his half of the video, I'll leave a link in the top right-hand corner for you guys to check that out.
Yeah.
And yeah, go check it out. Give him some love.
Come on over.
Tell him I sent you.
Yeah.
And yeah. And if you came from him, thanks for coming over. And, yeah. So now I'll go ahead and show you. So today's Tuesday. Friday, I'll go ahead and cut it, and we'll give you guys an update to see if we think it's any greener.
Should I leave the Jacto here?
For what?
The Jacto? You don't want to keep it?
I was like, for what? I was like, you like it just as much as I do.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Take care.
See you later.
I'll give you guys the update now.
Right.
See ya. Well, guys, before it gets dark, I figured I'd show you what the nice sky, what the color of the yard looked like after our iron application. No mic on my camera right now. I'm just walking around on my phone here. Forgot to give you an update. Grass looks pretty good. Still dealing back here. It was wet today. I cut it wet, so don't judge, but I'm still dealing with some deficiency in my iron, or nitrogen, excuse me, and still trying to get that straightened out, but all in all, it looks pretty good, so not gonna complain there. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them in the box down below. With that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. And by the way, Sprayer Depot, if you're watching that Jacto sprayer is legit. Let's work something out, because I'd love to try one of those out. Take care, guys.